Hi, my name is Vince Casas. I just wanted to talk really quickly about my master's degree Capstone project at Southern Utah University. It's been a really exciting process. I am actually going to be working on a project called Obsessed, which is an EP release by the band Theory of Flight, which is a band that I established over 10 years ago that took, essentially broke up in 2010. And so reunited the guys. We all live in different places, and it's been a really exciting adventure. We collaborated just remotely, and then we started using the app Slack to be able to communicate these ideas, to be able to put a lot of these ideas into place, and to let everybody be a part of it. I'm the main writer. I'm also the producer, the guitarist. I'm not the lead singer, but I do other things like vocals and strings and piano. We recorded bits and pieces of this at different locations, between my home studio, between the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, recording Studio A, and the home studios of other members. A lot of times I'm the main writer, so I demo a lot of what we're doing, and then maybe we demo things as a group at 44.1K, and then we go back through and really fine-tune the final product and record everything at high res at 96K, and in that second pass really focusing on the production, really. And so it's like the songwriting is the demo phase, but the actual producing is really that final production work and producing vocals. And so we spent a lot of time working through the vocal technique, working through the vocal process, working through the guitars, working through the sounds, just working with drums. There's a lot to it in terms of the process, but it's really exciting. Hope you like it. Big shout out to the department, because I think being a part of this program has really lit a fire under me. 2021 has been just a phenomenal musical year, and it's had a lot of open doors and a lot of job opportunities because of it. So it's been a really exciting adventure and a journey for me. And just excited to kind of share this capstone. So hope you enjoy it, and feel free to ask questions if you have them.